In the series of learning MS Excel, you are going to learn some more functions or some more features related to this in this session. One is selecting cell and second is editing data in worksheet. So how to select a cell? See, I have taken an example of this file जो कि एक क्लास की लिस्ट है क्लास सिक्स बी एंड मैंने यहाँ पे कुछ मिस्टेक कर दी है जैसे अनन्या चतुर्वेदी मुझे यहाँ करेक्शन करना है करेक्शन मीन्स वी आर डूइंग एडिटिंग एंड फॉर एडिटिंग यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट द सेल सेल को कैसे सेलेक्ट करेंगे सिंपली क्लिक ऑन दिस लाइक सी माई सेल इज सेलेक्टेड हियर बट आई वांट टू सेलेक्ट दिस सेल simply it is selected but I have to bring the cursor inside कर्सर को अंदर लाना है करेक्शन करने के लिए इसलिए हमें उस पर डबल क्लिक करना है now cursor is inside I can press space bar and make the correction the second correction I have to do is I have written 4 twice here so I will click this cell now to select it double click and press backspace key to make the correction so this way I can do editing. Next is deleting data and undoing data. So deleting means sometimes by mistake if you have done something wrong, you can delete anytime. See how to do it. Suppose I want to delete this name from here by mistake I have written this. So again you have to selection is always compulsory to do something. So I have selected this cell to delete and press delete key from the keyboard. See now you can see the blank cell here. Now if you are want to get it back by mistake you have done it, simple option quick access toolbar and use this undo button this way. It is again appearing on the screen. Otherwise you can press Ctrl and Z key from the keyboard also. Next is moving and copying data. Moving means it is allowing us to reorganize the data. You are shifting from one part of the worksheet and placing it to another part of the worksheet. And copying means it is allowing us to repeat data in our worksheet. Means you are making two copies of the same data. So let's see how to do this. Now suppose in the same list of class 6th B, I want to see the whole list in one go. So what will I do? I will place the downward names to the in front of these first names also. So what will I do? I will select these names which I want to move. Moving means we are using cut option. Select it first of all, right click and use cut. Then place the cursor here or make the cell active, right click and paste. Once it is done, you want to copy the heading above these names also. So what will I do? Again, I will select the heading row, right click, copy, make the cell active and paste. So this is copying and moving is used. So you have to practice for it.